Is Nitro Plus RX 9070 XT AMD's cheeky NVIDIA slayer? Ever felt like your graphics card is plotting against you, choking on frames during that epic boss fight, or turning your rig into a noisy furnace? You're not alone. It's that frustrating lag at 1440p that steals the joy from gaming nights. If your setup's leaving you pixel-pegged, drop a comment with your biggest gripe. Let's commiserate. Sapphire Nitro Plus RX 9070 XT could flip the script on those headaches. Picture this. Deadlines looming like storm clouds, stress spiking as your fans roar like a jet engine, and burnout creeping in from endless tweaks just to hit playable frames. It's exhausting, right? That constant battle with stuttering visuals in your favorite titles drains the fun faster than a bad energy drink. But imagine reclaiming control without piling on more hassle. Sapphire Nitro Plus RX 9070 XT whispers a smoother path ahead, teasing effortless 4K glory. If you're teetering on the edge of a hardware meltdown, this might just steady your ship. Hold on. Enter the Sapphire Nitro Plus AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT, the factory overclocked beast on RDNA 4 architecture that's rewriting the rules for high-end gaming. With a blistering 3060 MHz boost clock, 16 GB GDDR6 memory racing at 20 gigabits per second on a 256-bit bus, and PCI Express 5.0 support, it devours 1440p and 4K workloads like a pro gamer mid-caffeine rush. Picture Sarah, a streaming pro buried in deadlines. Her old card wheezed at ultra settings, but swapping to this Nitro Plus monster unleashed silky 144 frame per second in Cyberpunk. Fans humming softly thanks to the triple fan cooling with vapor chamber magic that keeps temps under 65 degrees Celsius. No sweat, literally. It's got HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 2.1a for buttery outputs, FSR4 upscaling that sharpens edges like a digital wizard, AV1 encoding for crisp streams, and Radeon anti-lag 2 to nix input delays that feel like fighting through molasses. The custom PCB with DRMO's power delivery laughs off overclocks, while ARGB lighting via Trick software adds that hypnotic glow to your build. One busy dev I know fired it up for ray-traced renders. In minutes, her workflow hummed, not hummed like angry bees, but a serene symphony of speed. Here's one way Sapphire Nitro Plus RX 9070 XT saved the day for a hectic creator. Keep watching for the bonus overclock tip that squeezes extra juice without the jitters. Feel that tingle of possibility yet. This isn't just hardware. It's your intuition screaming for an upgrade that senses every frame's potential. Now, let's crank up the thrill. Sapphire Nitro Plus RX 9070 XT doesn't just run games. It ignites them, boosting efficiency so you focus on the adrenaline, not the artifacts. At 1440p, it cranks out frame rates that make rivals blush, hitting 4K playability without dialing down those lush details, all while HyperRX and AFMF2 weave seamless magic for butter-smooth immersion. Imagine the rush of diving into Elden Ring's vistas, shadows dancing with improved RT accelerators, no thermal throttling to yank you out. Nitro Plus Cooling's quiet mode is like a stealth ninja, silent until the heat demands a whisper. Performance? It's a value juggernaut, outpacing pricier NVIDIA cards and raster benchmarks, for tech analysts who call it a refined powerhouse. One PC hardware expert raved, Sapphire's nailed it. Temps below 65 degrees Celsius in 4K fury. Fans so hushed you'd forget they're there. Influencer Alex, a build guru, gushed, 16 gigabytes VRAM future-proofs my streams. It's a dollar-devouring beast that sinks lights like a rave in your case. Users echo it. Upgraded and whoa, night-to-day smoothness on my 144 Hz monitor, zero coil whine. Shared gamer mic after marathon sessions. Analysts nod to its RDNA 4 maturity, blending power efficiency with dual BIOS for quiet or beast modes. But what about the too good to be true doubters? Sure, ray tracing trails top dogs, yet FSR4 closes gaps so slyly, you'll question if you need more. See why thousands buzz about this card's edge. It's that subtle power hum vibrating through your setup, promising focus sharpened like a blade. Which feature would rescue your next RAID? Comment below and let's geek out. Limited spots left on the upgrade train. Join the horde of gamers who've turbocharged their rigs with Sapphire Nitro RX 9070 XT, from pros silencing skeptics to casuals reclaiming weekends. Built like a tank, worth every penny, swears one user, while experts hail its overclock headroom as punching above its weight. Don't let stock dwindle while you simmer and lag. Snag yours now and unlock that hidden tricks tweak for even silkier frames. Click through, claim your edge, and watch your world render in radiant glory. Your move awaits.